It's Halloween, and you know what that means? Spooky in the neighborhood, and not just in the neighborhood, not just in our yard. The scariest place, though? The very, very scariest place is behind this door. Let's go see.
You should walk down the street and film the other big house, Emma.
Well, this is not about
Okay.
beautiful decorations. I'm recording right now. This is about the aftermath. The aftermath! Oh no! But of course, there are the delicious things. I want to reset this before I go to bed. So I'm going to watch some TV and reset. Put this on time lapse and you'll see it happen. Before I started this, I always just like, okay, it's the holiday. I'm tired. There's been so much. I'm just going to go to bed and I'll take care of it in the morning. That's the scary part, is having a big after holiday, after party mess waiting. I'm cleaning up the apple cider bottle so that I can put my leftover hot cider in, and we just warm it up the next day. It's really good. I love spiced cider. I have lately been realizing I don't want to take care of it in the morning. I have too much to do in the daytime. So if I take care of it at night, it's going to be easier the next day. That cast iron pan took me 6 minutes to clean. I used to be afraid of cleaning it, but now I just get into it and clean it. My husband made the chili. It was so delicious. I decided, no, I want to rest tomorrow. I want to go to sleep knowing I don't have this waiting for me. It was scary for me to I'm just gonna clean, but I did it. I accidentally moved the camera so you can't see me clearing the table off camera there. And just, yeah, nice fresh clean towel, ready to go. That's as done as I'm going to get tonight. We have people out who are going to come and we're going to take care of the chili. It's too hot to put in the fridge right now. But now I'm just going to sit down and relax and know that tomorrow morning, it's the next day. It's a good morning. I accidentally decluttered yesterday while looking for something. The COVID shelf and my odds and ends cabinet. So I'm going to use this. And wow, no. I think this needs to be used on its own. Now, since I got all the grunge off, I'm just going to use this again tomorrow. I was just wiping, just drying it. It is the day after Halloween. It is November 1st. Some people celebrate All Saints' Day today. Either way, I love November 1st. And it's time for that reset. But first, a little mayhem. See that sad dog on the floor? Yeah. Today is the day to vacuum. Also, you see a garbage bag back here in the background. That's because I am slowly, not all at once, but slowly taking care of that corner. I'm just like, okay, take this, just 10, 20 things, grab, put away. I was knitting in bed. So I have a little bag of yarn to put back in the craft room. I'm going to kind of put the garbage bag back around there. And then we'll see what the puppy down here does. Back in the yarn. If I shut that door, there will be great barking. But I think I might, because it might get a little too crazy in here. Kind of putting it back here. Oh, whoops. It's gonna get loud. It is gonna get loud. Here's something that's good for an unmatched sock. Oh, garbage. Okay, all done. All done. All done. You love it, huh? Yes, you do. Okay. Okay. Let's go in the front yard. No, the kitchen. Couple things in the kitchen first. Then we'll go take care of all the decorations in the front yard. I'm excited. And he makes me happy. the plants. If they're wet underneath, lay them out bottom up in the garage. Man, this is like a puzzle. So they're wild things. They can forage on their own. And if you make them too dependent, they can't live on their own. The little ones grow up. No, I don't know what we'll do.
You don't want to like encourage other people to do it by like donating them.
Right. I don't know what we'll do. Maybe we'll feed the chickens treats, like hang them from the top of the...
Oh, yeah.
That they would enjoy something like different like that.
Yeah.
So, okay. Oh, we don't want to leave the camera out. Well, that's it for our Halloween reset. I need help with the witch. It's time to put up lights for the other holidays, so that's why we're leaving the wiring out. In fact, we have other lights. They're ready to go, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and go conquer your myths.